Blood Bank village. This is the point where all three districts like Gomoti district, Sipahijala district and South Tripura district meet together, and this is the last village of Gomoti district, and this is one of the cleanest villages in Tripura. So I'd like to request the district administration, especially DM and Collector Gomoti district, to recognize this village. This is the Dubdali Kukibari village. So we have come here to visit the schools, the village, along with the Honorable MDC of 22 Kathalia, Mirza Kathalia, and they are the villagers. They are also running the school here, teaching all the children here. We have seen the school, hostel, they are running very well, and they are cleaning this village at least once in a week. Once in a week, and they are providing labor for that. And I would like to request DM and Collector Gomoti district to provide the dustbins and all, and also I have requested them to send one proposal for recognition of this village as one of the cleanest villages in our state. Thank you very much. Because we know the Swachhata Hi Seva, so through Swachh Bharat mission also many things can be done here. Like they have requested us to provide some sanitation facilities like toilets, even on the roadside, even in the village, toilet facilities can be created and dustbins can be provided. So thereby I think roads can be improved. Even roads, approach roads can also be improved. Presently this is brick sold and it needs repairing. So I would request the concerned authorities to take necessary measures to improve the village. Thank you very much. Jatri means place for the people to take rest, and they have made it on their own. They have not taken any assistance from the government. So socially they have constructed this resting place for the people on their own, collecting contribution from their own families. So this is nice.
BJP means Youth Parliament, Khalai Christian Call.